So here's a little life hack. So when you're done using your shoe glue or any type of glue, it even works with JB Weld. Take a little bit of acetone, just clean your threads, clean the inside of your cap, grab some Vaseline, just put a little bit, just a little glop of it around the threads, like, and then just put your cap back on, and that keeps the cap from gluing to itself, so that way you can get the cap on and off. Easy, super easy life hack. And for more life hacks like this, make sure you subscribe. And you know what? I'm gonna link this down below, because you guys probably want to use my affiliate links. That's a life-changing hack. You're never gonna have to buy cements again, because you'll be able to reuse them over and over. Take care.